How to fix service temporarily unavailable error in Twitter or X. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is temporary. Simply refreshing the page might resolve the error. Next thing you want to do is check the server status of X. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Town Detector. Check the graph. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be solved. If the error persists, it might be due to server overload or maintenance. Waiting for a while before retrying is often effective. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option General, click -Storage. From the list of the apps, find X, then click on Offload app, click on Offload app, click on Reinstall app. With the solution, your problem will be fixed. Lastly, check the Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. So these are some fixes for service temporarily unavailable error in X. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.